So I've been given the mandate to introduce Rohan Dalmia. Let me start this introduction with a very famous quote of Mahatma Gandhi. I suppose leadership at time was meant by muscles, but today it meant getting along with people. I sincerely believe that the world has moved along not only by the mighty push of people. In today's context, where loyalty is hard to find, the question is, who is a hero? In simple words, if your action inspires others to dream, learn more, do more, you are a hero, you are a leader. A leader is the one who knows the way, goes the way and shows the way. A true leader is a great worker with great abilities. Keeping my views about this person and about the organization, ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to present in front of you Rohan Dalmia. So I met Rohan in 2008 when I entered with then DRR road tractor Ravi Apte for the official club visit of Mumbai downtown, and he was sitting in one corner. कुछ तो खोपड़ी में चलता रहता था. So he's been a kind of person, he should think a lot and think two steps ahead. And that time I and Ravi said that there is this guy who I think is very, very new and very energetic. And from that instant, from 2008 when he was in the road track club Mumbai downtown, he's been a part and stick to the movement till 2016. We can see today almost around we can see around 10 years. He's been there more than 10 years and been there in the movement for the road track, because before 2008 also he has been actively involved in road track activities also. His heavy aura, so I'm not saying his fatness, but his heavy aura has actually made him move to the various steps of road track movement. He was appointed as, when he came to the road track movement 2008, in the same year, he was being awarded as an outstanding road tractor in that very said year. Moving forward, he was appointed as the joint district finance director, and that was his charm. And that was the movie, that's where the entire history started, where he started taking next steps in the road track movement. He moved to the various positions of the road track movement by taking positions like the finance director, sergeant arms, and very, very less. So when you see that एक चाह होती है road track की, very less you have seen that the leaders have come from the district body to go back to the club and become the presidents. I think in my career of road track for last 10 years, I have seen only one person like Rohan who has taken a back seat and went back and taken a presidentship in the road track club, and then thought of becoming a DRR of this very said district. I think women have played a very important role in our life, at least in DRR's life when it comes to married people. And we have seen many DRRs who have got married and taken a step of becoming a DRR. And I think Rohan is one of the person who decided कि शादी के बाद भी मैं DRR बनना चाहूँगा. My heartiest wishes to him, because I have gone through the journey. Best of luck, Nisha. I'm really concerned about you, but I think you need your support a lot, because this year will not be easy without your support. Road track and Rohan are very synonym words, because you have heard a lot about him, Jugadu, ho jayega attitude, and that's what Rohan has created his own niche. He graduated from Lala Lajpat Rai College, did his event management through INM-IMS, worked with a lot of company called Clea and PR firms, and then finally started his own company called Winner Communication. He has been a PR expert, married to Nisha, who is a teacher at Cathedral School. I should tell you one thing, Rohan has this one attitude, and I think that's what makes him apart from a lot of us, that he will never show a stress on his face, but he will say, हो जाएगा. And that's what you have seen. He's been a very, very important factor for last year's success also, where he has managed to crack good funds for the year 3140. And I think I can see the smile on Vaibhav's face. So I think this man has his own journey. I just want to say one thing. Rohan, you have a great, great year. You have a great team. So I think this is what Rohan for you is. Presenting to you, Rotator Rohan Dalmia, the DRR for the year 2016-17 for the RID 3141, where Gopal sir will induct the incoming DRR of the district 3141, Rotator Rohan Dalmia. Nisha, we would like you to join us on the stage, please.
Nisha, come please. You have to continue staying with him. Please.
I would like Rohan to felicitate Gopal sir.
Can we have the house lights off, please? Rohan, it's now your time.
प्रथम सेवक का प्रथम साल में प्रथम प्रणाम। कोशिश की थी कि ये डायलॉग गोपाल सर के सामने बोलूं तो शायद उन्हें थोड़ा और ज़्यादा इम्प्रेस कर सकूं, बट नेवरदलेस I have his entire team here sitting, so I'm sure the message will reach him very timely. So yeah. District Governor Gopal Mandania, District Governor elect Praful sir, the College of DRRs, I think it was a dream ever since 2008 when I saw Rashesh getting inducted, when I saw Ravi getting inducted, and I would always see a few stalwarts standing next to them. I always had this dream that time, that when I have this nice shiny badge around my neck, I would want at least 10. And thanks to every single DRR with whom I've got an opportunity to work, with whom I have seen them work. I have grown in this movement, seeing them work. Thank you very much. These two words, the word thank and you, is very, very, very less for the presence that you guys have made here, because 3141 is the birth, is the baby of 3140, and you guys have been some fantastic caretakers of the system. So I don't know if I can reach that level, but definitely yes, like Hari said sometime back, that it's the experience, and I promise that with this experience, I will take 3141 in the Pratham year and set those footsteps right, so that every single year is as good as the Pratham year. Being very honest, this place had a little thoughts, I had a little goosebumps when I saw this place, and now I'm seeing the entire auditorium full. It's not just for me, but it's for this entire movement of RID 3141, where I can see the road tractors sitting here, where I can see the Rotarians sitting here, some of the Rotarians with whom I have worked, some of the Rotarians under whom I have learned, I have grown. I can see a full house of my parent Rotary Club of Mumbai, downtown Sealand. Thank you very much for being here with us. I can see my home club sitting upstairs over there. Thank you very much, guys. I know iftari is still time, but thank you very much for being there. Every single president, every single road tractor of RID 3140, of RID 3141, of RID 3142, all these number games, but more than that, it's that we are all here together as one team, only to enjoy this one moment of for RID 3141 and not just for me. I also saw Himanshu, RPDRR sitting here in the crowd, which also brought back those memories, because that was the first red when I saw was during his year, and that's the time I thought there is something about Road Tract. So yes, that's one memory that was there before I actually came into the system. I will come back on certain points when I start talking about the theme, and I really don't want to say that, I don't want to thank people that, okay, thank you for your support, thank you for that, but I really want to take a couple of pledges right here, right now. Personally, over the years I've seen that we've always said that Road Tract should be a household name. But what's the point of making the entire universe believe that if you cannot make your own house believe that? On this very forum in front of the entire RID 3141, I take this pledge that the next 365 days, if I can convert even 25% of my own family, if I can convert 25% of the society, believe that yes, Road Tract is here to stay, Road Tract is here to do something, yes, I will say that yes, I have achieved something. We say that Road Tract is all about the platter of opportunities. We say that Road Tract is all about that one thought or one moment which we all can drive it around. If at all I can achieve those one thoughts, if at all I can make every single president enjoy that year, is when probably I can say that yes, we've done something. Thank yous is something that I would rather keep for the 2nd of July when I hand over the collar to my successor. But for now, it's all about taking pledges, because it's time to start proving what you can do, not just alone, but with the system. Trust me guys, I can be here, I can do certain things, but I'm nothing if I don't have you guys. And if you guys are something, then I can be something. So let's start doing things together, because अकेले करने में बिल्कुल मजा नहीं आता. And if we are here for the movement, we are here for networking. So whatever we do, we will do it together. We had the district shout, which was made by you guys, which was chosen by you guys, and that's how I personally believe the entire Pratham year should be. The entire concept of having an empty book is because I don't want to come with a written book and then say everyone, okay, you know what guys, this is what we do. ये सब teachers का काम होता है. We are here to write on that empty book together, because that's when we give it to our successors, is when they can read it, understand it, and then ideate whether it was a good year or a bad year. Not taking much of your time, I would really want the technicals to play the theme video before I start talking. Yes, I wanted to keep a lot of my speech with these three letters, because my entire life in Rotract, I've always believed that's all about the opportunities that one gets, because we have these opportunities and then we are in Rotract to network. And once we've done that, it's time we start empowering ourselves. And that's the motto of District 3141 for the year 16-17. The theme for the year 16-17, opportunities, networking, empowerment, and be that one team, the pioneer team in the Pratham year in RID 3141. So whatever we do in life, it's all about one, right? Yes. Thank you. So when we speak about, it's all about opportunities, Rotract is that platform that's giving you every single opportunity around you. Just like you have air around you, you breathe. It's not that you'll say, okay, you know what, I've taken sufficient air and I don't want to breathe. It's going to be a continuous process, exactly the same way as what Rotract is in our lives over here. It's got opportunities all around you. You look around you, you'll find opportunities. It's not that you need to go out and grab it or hunt it or somebody's going to give it in your hand. This is something that I personally believed when I saw every single DRR. He always highlighted that there are so many things in front of you, be it as an OC member, be it as a chairperson, be it as participating in a trust area, community service, whatever it might be. It's that opportunity when you feel that, okay, this is what I want to do, grab it. It's there for you. Nobody can take that mauka, that aura from you for that reasons. We have created many such opportunities. We've got many such opportunities. Yes, I'm the change. Be it the adult literacy, be it the diabetic camp, be it the professionally development initiatives that we've been doing, be it the club service initiatives. All these are the opportunities around us. The question is, what is it that will interest you, and grab it. So that's what we have. I mean, it's just the thought that will keep running in your mind. What is it that you want that is going to tell you, okay, you know what, this is the right opportunity for me? That's the question you need to ask yourself. We've come to Rotract for what? Social service, community service, club service, going out for trips, or for networking. whatever we do in our life, you need to have that networking. Be it in your college life to say, if you want to take an extension or if you want something, you need to have the right network with your teachers. If you want to cheat something in the papers during exams, sorry if there are any teachers over here, but you need that right network with the person in front of you or behind you so that you don't get caught. If there are signal failures, you know what's going to happen. So that's what Rotaract is here. You have that power to network for anything and everything in life. Be it for the fun moments, be it if you're getting bored around, be it if you just want to go out in the nice wet rain, you need to just check your numbers and you'll find at least 5 such people who are ready to say, chal yaar, chal, chill karta hai. That's what Rotaract is when you talk about networking. So now that you've got the opportunities, you've got the networking aura, what's next? It's about empowering yourself. Because whatever you do, say for example, again I will come back on this thought of Railas, and that's what I kept on hold. I am a pass out of one of those fantastic Railas that I ever attended was when, way back in 2000, which was organized by Bombay Pier then, and I personally felt, dude, this is something. I never thought I could do all those fancy adventures in my entire life. But then that's the time when they said, go for it. There's nothing wrong to it. You have the entire support system who's taking care of you. And that's the empowerment that they give in us. And that's what Rotaract does to you. Smallest project, smallest initiative is about empowering yourself. We keep saying that, okay, we do any professionally development initiative, we go for speaker sessions, we stand in front of the audience and we talk. What is that? Professionally developing yourself. You're empowering your own self over here. Directly, indirectly, we do that every single day. We saw the entire we saw the College of DRS standing here. We are seeing that the entire Rotary Council, the entire Rotary family, your parents, friends are all sitting here. This is the network that the Rotaract has, and very few instances is when we see they sitting here very patiently with us only because they believe in this network and they are here to empower us at every single point. I personally request every single Rotaractor here that we are here as one team, one family, and whatever we do is going to be done in that one style. Let's not think that this is mine or that is mine. It's all about that one moment and that one choice that we've made. Let's start focusing on that, and that one person should be you and no other person. Every day in the morning when you look at yourself, ask, who are you better than? If 10 names come in your mind, ask that question again, till you don't get the name that is standing in front of you in the mirror. The day you start thinking that way is the day you've actually become that chosen one. With this, I officially accept the Pratham years, Pratham districts, Pratham Sevak. Thank you very much, and let's create histories together. Thank you very much.